Is your external component the Windows TUN Interface Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish WireGuard links. To start the walkthrough for Windows TUN Interface Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Windows TUN Interface Library, a high-performance Layer 3 TUN driver library designed specifically for modern VPNs like WireGuard. It provides significantly faster throughput compared to legacy drivers. If missing, high-speed VPN clients will fail to create a network tunnel, resulting in adapter initialization failed. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error usually indicates that the WireGuard directory is damaged or incompletely installed. I recommend you download and reinstall the official version of WireGuard to replace specific required files, such as Windows TUN Interface Library DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to re-scan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Windows TUN Interface Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Rebooting didn't clear the communication block, so we'll manually flush the network plumbing. Open Command Prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First type netsh space int space ip space rreset, then hit enter. Second, type netsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, these DLLs act as the plumbing for your internet connection. Resetting the stack clears corrupted cached routes and orchestration manifests that a restart cannot reach. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of Windows TUN Interface Library DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Windows TUN Interface Library-related documentation. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Windows TUN Interface Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.